Good day, Doc Monica. Good day, classmates. I'm Jerome Constantino together with...
I'm Angela May Competente, and we are going to make spicy chicken wings.
For mixture 1, we will mix phosphate and refined salt with chilled water. For second mixture, we mix fibril, isolate, and carrageenan with chilled water.
After that, we need to put the chicken in the bowl. Then next is, we need to put the mixture 1 to the bowl. And also, we need to put the mixture 2 in the chicken. After that, we need to mix it together with mixture 1 and mixture 2. Mix well until the mixture dissolves. The next is we will add the seasonings. First is sugar. Second is white pepper. The third one is red chili, nutmeg, sesame oil, paprika, MSG Betsin, and lastly, BF blend. Then mix all together to make the chicken wings absorb all the seasonings and make the taste better.
After adding the mixture in the chicken, we need to put in the refrigerator to marinate it in 4 to 6 hours. After marinating the chicken into 4 to 6 hours, we decided to cook it in 2 different ways. First is in breading mix, with breading mix, and the second one is the marinated mixture only.
Put the oil in the frying pan. Coat the chicken with the breading mix. Put the marinated chicken wings in the frying pan. Make sure that the chicken are deeply fried in the pan. Flip it side by side to cook the inside of the chicken. Place the chicken wings in the plate. After removing the chicken wings from the hot oil, put the coated chicken wings in the oil. Wait for it to cook.